Oh, totally missed.
What?
I think most people aren't going to even put candy out or anything. They're just going to sit in and watch TV.
Heard that people are buying more food for food storage right before election. This is 2020. You expect the worst.
Right.
What I heard, I don't know.
Extra points if you can actually catch it midair, though.
Oh, okay. I didn't know there.
That's really creative.
Thank you. I can't believe it. There's a big group of people that came.
Yeah.
I'm very proud of it. Kids love it. I love it. It's a good time.
Yeah. Tyrannosaurus Rex, I like that.
Oh my gosh, this idiot.
We might be doing this every year. Neighbors are having a good time too. Socially distanced and disinfected candy. And there it is. Don't be afraid of that wolf. Ah! Yeah, give me food, give me candy. Good catch.
The wolf is amazing.
People are too afraid to come, I think. Vaping.
Bueno, ve, si no te preocupes.
Smoking more than this wolf right here.
Okay, hold on. All right.
Oh my goodness, I love the glove. What do you...
That's cool. I like that.
Maybe because it went down his head, he got the smoke in it. His smoke came out of his mouth too.
Look at the light.
This is the first time we've had a full moon on Halloween since 1944. And it's also a blue moon because it's the second full moon this month of October, which is also a rarity. Oh my God. Did you see the full moon?